Hello everyone. Slab leakage is a big problem. Though there may be cracks in the slab created by the leakage or your slab leaks heavily, we have the solution. Now you can see the leakage. This was the point of existing balcony slab and the new slab which was not joined properly. The damage of the leakage is so much that it has damaged the wall putty by leaving black patches behind. To eliminate this, the best remedial solution is to remove some portion of the joint surface about 1 to 1.5 inch, that is about 25% depth of the slab, and then treat it with the waterproofing chemical. After treating, fill it with a cement mortar. So we decided to dig 2 inch along the joint and add cement slurry to it. We removed the upper layer of the slab joint and washed it with water and added waterproofing solution to it first so that it gets absorbed in it. You can see we had used breaker to break the joint. We had added waterproofing solution so that it gets absorbed in it. Then we created a cement mixture by adding cement, sand and aggregate. Add water to it and create a cement slurry. And then we had added waterproofing chemical in it. After adding the chemical, mix it properly. We had added the cement slurry in the basket and added it to the gap which we had created. And then we had labeled it to the existing slab. You can see the result now. It has settled properly and there is no more leakage now. This was the line which was the existing balcony which we had dug and added cement slurry to it. Now you can see there is no more leakage. The slab is now ready to remove the putty and reapply it again and apply the paint. This is it for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon.